welcome to another video. You guys know exactly where I am if you watch my videos. I'm in Tryal, right by the water wheel. You can see it's spinning. Where is it? Yeah, it's spinning behind me there. It's spinning really fast today. Why am I here? Well, as you guys know, the family is here. Son is somewhere in the back there. Rick and Giovanna taking out pictures in the back there, and of course we have to take a little trip, a little drive down Negril. It's a nice Sunday drive, and we're stopping and getting pictures and whatnot. And Tryal does have to be a stop, as you guys know. Alright, so we're taking pictures in front of the water. Alright, so we're coming from Tryal, heading back in the car, continuing on Negril run. We just drove along the 7 Mile beach here in Negril, and now we're driving up into the west end by Rick's Cafe, and we'll take a little stop there. In Rick's Cafe, my son, we're kind of on the other edge. The cliff where we jump is over there. Really nice stuff. Check it out. What do you think of this vibe, son?
Girl, it's paradise.
Paradise, huh?
Yeah.